Hello again, everyone. This is Howard Cosell speaking of sports.
Thanks for your interest in Duratite Systems, the polypropylene alternative to metal takeoffs and dampers. We're live at the Duratite Challenge in Erie, PA. We've assembled 2 participants for this event. One is an experienced HVAC installer, and the other is the Duratite Company President, James Carnes. Playing for the metal takeoff side and wearing a pair of gray Cintas uniform breeches and shirt is Todd Pago from Greenville Heating and Cooling in Greenville, PA. Todd will be getting her done using mastic and tape to seal his duct. Jim, on the other hand, has decided to wear his daily office attire. Jim, aren't you a little worried about getting messy? Gentlemen, let's get ready to install! On your marks, get set, go! Whoa, Nelly, as you see, Jim's moving at lightning speed with the new click and zip feature of Duratite.
Yes!
Todd, with over 10 years' experience, is doing a fine job, but he's still bending back the tabs. Hey, watch those fingers, Todd. Notice that Jim may be setting world-class record time. Four of them in 31 seconds.
Holy cow!
The thrill of victory and the agony of defeat.
What you just witnessed was real. Even the names are real. Real men doing real jobs. Jim did his job in less time than Todd, and Jim didn't need mastic tape or tools. Welcome to the world of energy-efficient ductwork, the world of Duratite Systems. In addition to the takeoff and damper, Duratite will introduce the register boot, elbows, and full ducting system. Here's why. With federal tax breaks and other incentives for energy-efficient HVAC installation, Duratite makes sense. And don't you want the durability and long-lasting construction of a Duratite product? Let's face it, the time and material it takes to install metal is ridiculous compared to your time and material with Duratite. You can save up to 50% in time and up to 5% in material cost alone. Tight ducts made simple. Duratite. For more information, check us out online at www.duratite.com or call us toll-free at 866-217-DURA. That's 866-217-3872. Celebrity voices poorly impersonated. No real ducks were hurt in the filming of this video. Copyright 2006 by Duratite Systems, LLC.
Hey, where's everybody going? I'm not done yet. Next time I'm using Duratite.